Hi, so this is part A of question 1 of the Math 2015 paper. So the question starts off by telling us to pick a whole number and then add 1 to it, and then to square the answer, then to multiply by 4, and then finally to subtract 3. And then it gives us a list of conditions. And it wants to know which of these statements is always true regardless of what n we started off from. And it's a multiple choice question, and so we're giving some choices. So immediately we can see that this, because it's being multiplied by a 4, must be an even number, and we're taking away an odd number, therefore the resulting number must be an odd number. So we have that 1 is true, so we can eliminate this choice that doesn't include a 1. Now we know 1 is true, what can we say about the rest of these statements? Well, how about we just try some simple values of n and see what we get. So if I just call this star, if I use n is equal to 1, then star is going to be equal to, well, 4 times 1 plus 1 squared minus 3, and that's just equal to 13. Well, now we can see that 13 definitely is a prime number, so we know that statement 4 must be wrong. And also, 13 is not one more than a multiple of 8, because 12 is not a multiple of 8, so statement 3 must also be wrong. So now we can eliminate any options which use statements 3 and 4. So now for these last two, we just need to see if 2 is true for all n or not. So certainly 13 is one more than 12, which is a multiple of 3. But what if we just try one more n? If we tried n is equal to 2, well then star would be equal to 4 times 2 plus 1 squared minus 3, and that's equal to 33. And that is exactly a multiple of 3 instead of one more than a multiple of 3. So we must have that statement 2 is also false, is not true for all n. And therefore, A cannot be our choice, so our final answer is E.